I always get asked what I should read. I want to start reading, recommend me some book. So this video is about that one book you should start reading in that respective topic or genre if you are a first time reader. So after reading that book you will develop curiosity for that topic, interest for that genre. In romantic genre, read this beautiful book, The Fault in Our Stars by John Gray. This is easy to read book with great storyline. In mythological fiction, read Shiva Trilogy. This book is written by Amish Tripathi. This book is so interesting that you will have urge to read more in this genre. If you want to read crime fiction or detective stories, you must read Murder on Orient Express by Agatha Christie. After reading this book, you will be hooked to Agatha Christie and murder mystery. In crime, mystery and thriller, read Dan Brown. Pick any one of his book and you will be hooked. His books are very fascinating and he is greatest of this genre. Human Psychology, read the book The Art of Thinking Clearly by Ralph Dobell. This book is divided into 99 small chapters which explain 99 different concepts, biases and ideas of human psychology. After reading this book, you will be a different person. You will start thinking differently. You will start seeing world differently. And you will get interested into this world of human psychology. In self-help, read this all-time classic book, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This book will change your thought process regarding life and self-growth. A must-read book. In spirituality, dive into this book, The Autobiography of Yogi by Paramhansa Yogananda. This book is so great, it has inspired many great people, including Steve Jobs and Virat Kohli. So it's best book you should start reading about spirituality. In autobiography, read the book The Wings of Fire by APJ Abdul Kalam. This book is easy to read book, but very inspiring book. This book is about determination, hard work, passion, patriotism. I have read this book multiple times, but it inspires me every single time. In history, read the book India After Gandhi by Ramchandra Guha. This book is about India's history after independence. The book starts with 1945, Indian independence and partition. This book will take you through all the India's history after independence. Emergency, Indira era, Nehru era, various wars. Very interesting book. 1992, liberalization. After reading this book, you will have this basic understanding of India's history after 1947. So you will understand the current politics, current scenario. In personal finance, read the book The Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book will change your thought process regarding money and personal finance. Very actionable, implementable book. And a must-read book on personal finance. In astrophysics, read this book, The Brief History of Time by Dr. Stephen Hawking. This is easy to read book about difficult subject. After reading this book, you will understand the basic concepts of astrophysics. This book explains the basic concepts, basic laws, basic principles that governs our universe in layman's terms. After reading this book, your curiosity door will be wide open.